Our 2007 Impala LT is a comfortable and convenient car, practical and enjoyable to drive. It's good looking inside and out, and has a strong V6 to back up those good looks with plenty of power and performance on the road. This Super Impala LT comes with the upgrade 3.9-litre V6 that produces 233 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. It adds a variable length intake system to variable valve timing. Step on the gas and it goes. And it handles well, in fact surprisingly well given its size. This baby boasts cloth seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio and cruise controls, telematics, rear spoiler and power everything. It's a big car. It's generally classified as a mid-size sedan, though it's large for that class, and nearly a full size. The front and back seats are roomy, and getting in and out of the car is easy, and it has a healthy cargo capacity. It has a huge trunk and flip and fold back seats that present holding wells for groceries or a flat cargo floor that expands the trunk for long items. Print this page and call us now. We know you will enjoy your test drive towards ownership. We are glad you have chosen us. Edwards Hyundai Subaru has been serving Metro Omaha and Southwest Iowa families for years. One happy customer at a time.